focus definition, focus in a sentence, focus pronunciation, focus meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of focus. Focus. Fo-cus. Focus. Focus as a noun means the center of interest or the main or central point of something. Common usages in academic writing: beyond the focus, focus your attention, to lose focus, mental focus. Example sentences: focus, noun. Environmental sustainability has become a focus for this generation. Example sentence number 2, the focus of the inquiry was on faults in the company's safety procedures. The common academic writing variation is focal, adjective. If the focal point is situated in front of the target, conditions for creating plasma jets are much less favorable. Please write a sentence using focus in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know focus's pronunciation, focus's meaning, and how to use focus in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye!